Makhosi fans, bafuthu, nakho mina enganitshela khona. Kumele siqale manje si-accept-e, sikufake nasengqondweni ukuthi i-team yethu bafethu is just an ordinary team with a rich personal history, nothing else. Ne-team enemali, team enkulu, but in terms of ukutshengisa konke lokho in the playing field, hhayi bafethu kusabheda. It's been 10 years, sikhala ngento eyodwa, sikhala ngokhoji, sikhala nge-management, sikhala nangathi ama-supporters ukuthi nathi we're at fault, but nakho kumele sibuye si-accept ukuthi siyayifanela no-Richards Bay, siyayifanela no-Golden Arrows, siyayifanela nawo wonke ama-team omaZulu. Because ama-games amakhulu siyakwazi ukuthi sidlale siyimisele. But makumele sihlangane sidlale nontanga yethu o-Richards Bay. Phela o-Richards Bay manje sebefana nontanga yethu. Sebeyafana nontanga yethu. They play better futhi kwesinye isikhathi ukudlula thina. Sinama ama-big signings o-Siri nobani bani, but in terms of playing field akusekho lutho bafethu. Thuthiwe. So bafethu nakho lokho kuyadinga ukuthi sibuye sihlale phansi sikwamukele nje lokho. Senzele ukuthi si-avoid ama-chest pains esilokhu siba nawo week in week out. Then si-celebrate leyo win eyodwa nge-month. So bafethu accept-eni. Vele abanye bazongigxeka bethi ngikhuluma into engekho, but iqiniso lelo. Kuyabheda, kunzima. Ayisekho into ekhona laphana, kuthuthiwe. Njengamanje isikhathi ukuthi kulungiswe i-foundation iqala. Then sokwazi ukuthi siqhubekele phambili. And if naye uNabi uyafuna ukuthi aqhubeke abesemabhukwini angcono kuthina, ukuthi ahambe ayofika kwi-final, and then win i-Nedbank Cup, sokwazi nathi ukuthi sehlise amaphaphu kancane. But nje enginganitshela khona bafethu ukuthi angifuni ukungena kakhulu kwi-game bekade idlalwa, but njengamanje we're just an ordinary team with a rich personal history. That's all.